Okay, if you love that quiet luxury look at home, these are such a good upgrade. This is the Emtek privacy set in satin brass with the modern rectangle rosette and that gorgeous Windsor crystal knob. Like it catches the light in the prettiest way, but it still feels clean and modern. And I can tell you from real life, I've had these on all of my interior doors for about 3 years now. They're strong, they're sturdy, and they still feel high quality every single time you turn the knob. No looseness, no cheap feel, just solid. It's a full set, so you get the latch and the strike plate included, and it fits standard door prep for most homes, which makes the whole swap feel way less intimidating. If you want your home to feel a little more elevated without doing a full renovation, this is one of those really nice details that makes a bigger difference than you'd think. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.